Welcome back, guys. This is Separate and Cypher's channel. What I have here is the Chaos Theory Pteranodon. So this one has the DNA scan for you guys. There we go. Okay. Has a short legs and a little tiny tail right there. Okay. You push it here. Has a sound. There you go. There's the battery area. It can flap, which is good, and you can fold the wings, which is very good. Folding the wings. I wish to do that to every pterosaur. You know, has some scars on the beaks, which is a big plus. You know, nice scars on the back. I already made a hybrid of this with a Stiggy Moloch. Uh oh. Yep. Alright, so the reason I brought this out because we're gonna do the Pteranodon story pack with Dr. Henry Loomis. So here it is. Yeah, it has a blue crest on the head. Meanwhile, this one doesn't. It's just regular brown. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna get this Zora Bennett Velociraptor thing because it's exactly the same as the Krebs vehicle set. Alright, so let's unbox it now. Let's take out Dr. Loomis first. Let's take him out. Yeah. Alright, while unboxing this, I'd like to say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Pretty awesome. Another variant of Dr. Loomis right here. Let's give it his stun gun right here. Alright, how do you put this in? Alright, never mind. Oh, I think it goes that way. It gets really annoying doing all this stuff. It doesn't really fit in their hand. I don't know how. But okay, one more. One more. Oh my gosh. No, it doesn't go. Okay, that's okay. The jacket can be removed. Where's the backpack? Okay. You can put the backpack. Let's see what's inside the backpack. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's cool. You can't open the backpack, but the straps can be open. There you go. Whoops, wrong. So this one it goes there. That's what I just said. There you go. And there you go. Now let's go for the Pteranodon. Let's unbox it. This pterodactyl. Oops. And give it a scratch right over there. There you go.
Wow.
Let's take it out. Small pterodactyl. Let's move the head. Not bad. So let's compare to the Chaos Theory. The Chaos Theory is way bigger. There you go. But at least the wings can be folded, which I like it. Like I said, I wish they do this to every pterosaur, folding wings. You know. And hopefully that they make a Hammond Collection Pteranodon soon, because all they have is that Geostern Virgia. So that one right there looks good, like that. There you go. So there you go. Also, we also have the new fish toy. It's called Fish with a C. Okay. Alright, Suffer wants to show it, so let's take a look at it. Check it out. Alright, and of course there's the DNA scan. Okay, so we have found this new Fish Mystery Deluxe plush at Target. Safrat was so obsessed with it. So there is the Legendary DLC and the Exotic DLC. They have the Megalodon, Orca, Ancient Megalodon.
You got the mystery.
Scurvy Sailfish, the Ancient Death Serpent, and the Shiny Nessie. So I don't know why they made it look funny. Nessie looks funny. So we're gonna open it up, check it out.
Yeah, it's a meter one and the like the crystal one. Like
Alright, it says fish, spell, they added a C on it. It's a new thing, It
come out today.
Yeah, so let's unbox it. Okay guys? There, let's unbox it. Oh my gosh. I wonder what's inside.
Yeah, you always get the mysteries like Orca and the Megalon.
It will be the Megalodon.
Yeah, you get the legendary.
Okay, so what if this is the exotic one?
Open the small one. Open the small one.
I see. So it is one item.
Hey, I don't know if big, try to be small. There goes, huh?
What the way? Oh my gosh, we have the Ancient Megalodon, I think. Nice.
No way.
We have the a fish logo. So I believe this is the ancient megalodon. It is a DLC. It is the legendary right there.
Yeah, the list.
So you can cut it off, I guess. Alright. There you have it. Oh, yep, it is the ancient megalodon. Are you videoing it separate? There you go. Yeah, I wanted this one, the ancient depth serpent. I thought it was death. It's depth then.
I'll go.
So yeah, there you have it.
You got the legendary.
Let's go back to our... Alright guys. See the front like that.
Yes, you see that?
Oh yeah. Really? Not bad. It's a decent size.
I love the bag.
Nice bag. Alright, so guess who did this? Saifa did this for me. Thank you so much, Saifa. Great job. Alright, so yep, here it is now. Oh, where's our main guy? So here's our main guy. There's a DNA scan for you guys. And we have the ancient megalodon right here. From fish. Okay guys? Alright, it's the ancient megalodon. Fish with a C, guys. Fish with a C. Alright, so yeah. We're trying to look for this ancient depth serpent. Yeah, that's interesting. Well, Nessie looks kind of funny here, but okay. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. We have the legendary and the exotic too. Alright, thanks again, guys. You guys have a good week now, and we'll see you maybe Thursday. Alright, thank you again. Have a good one. Bye.